Alright, so we have a big ram selling for 70,000 Jamaican dollars. So it's first come, first serve. So just link me ASAP. You can get a nice, big, healthy vegetarian rammy. And you see how them healthy and what them eat? So just link me up.
What does Jojo and ship or a boat have in common?
Them up on the harbour.
Hey, a long time I left there, you know.
But you know I come see you, you know. You know your roots.
You know me, man.
Russian know your roots.
You know me. Oh, you know why? Me born in the country and growing in the country. But yeah, so she you know.
Me wanna come for some.
Growing up, born in a house and just growing out.
Good morning. It is Sunday, April 18 at 6 a.m. and I'm up. You know how long I'm not up and stay up? 6 o'clock one morning. But I'm up. Country life. Come with me. Country life, guys. Look outside. We're looking for the goat. Where's the goat there? 11. Oh, so just one goat in the pen? Why you put the Sam in the pen? Sam is the ram goat?
Yes.
Oh, so he's the expensive one.
Very.
Oh.
So you have to keep him near.
Yeah.
So the ram goat in the oh my god, the ram goat is in the pen because I don't want the ram goat to get stolen, but the other ones I'm wild for the night, right?
Yeah, man, them over in the big pen so then you can.
Oh, it's a bigger one, but you keep him close.
Right, you have to keep him
Wow.
close.
For people that's.
I'm going to know more than so, you know, because they say true. That if people know someone in there, they can thief him.
So people just walk and thief goat?
Yeah, and then we just take him and I'll go right under the plum tree there anyway and just kill him and go with him.
Kill the goat and go with him?
Them kill all the people go to him.
I feel good. Alright, and I feel good. My Jesus is to me. He's my person. And everything I need. He's my rock, my shield and hiding place. Closer than a brother, Jesus is to me. Ready dead.
Hallelujah.
The ready dying. Ready dead now. Totally dead.
It's really so disgusting.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
That radio make me mad.
Why did the radio make you mad?
Because it died.
Okay.
I guess it is.
So, good morning. Say good morning to the people.
Hi, good morning.
What are you doing today?
I'm gonna cook mini porridge. I'm saying the artist thing about it, me throat nothing. Brandon, you come for porridge?
You know, say, you have jewel for your face. So let them water there for your face.
No, let them water toothpaste.
Early morning, coal stove. Having a corn porridge. Look, guys, the fire up and running now. Fire ready. Time for the pot. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Alright guys, so time for brush teeth. We're outside. For those of you that don't remember how to brush teeth out of cup and water, you know, I brought my toothpaste and I just put on a toothbrush. I rinse out my mouth first, but Tavia would say I waste the water. Teeth brush. Also, so I want to use half a cup of water to brush my teeth just now. And I'm gonna wash my face as well. Brought my soap. You guys remember that video that I posted? I need to take this thing off of my head. Don't forget. Together. I remember the video I posted recently with Queen Eye, and she makes these organic soaps. She's from the Rasta village and she had given me some. So I have this one which is the annatto, and then I have one that is peppermint, and one that's a mixture of annatto, cocoa bean, and sea moss, which is this one, the 3-color one. You know, so I've been using the annatto and I've been loving it. So I have half a cup of water left to wash my face. You know? Soap up my face. Well, sorry for me, and give me more water. When I take this candle, what's your style? TV, give me more water, guys. Alright, so I have a full cup of water now. You know, I hear my boss having the soap burn me in my eye. Look there. I wash my face with half a cup. I still have half a cup of water left. For no for save. You see 1 cup of water? Can brush teeth and wash face. What I like about the soap is it, like even when I'm taking off the makeup, I can just wash 1 or twice and then come off. You know, some soap you have to wash out 5, 6, 7 times. Tavia, I'm gonna wash her face now, guys. Let's see if she can use the next half a cup of water.
My face is very big, you know, darling.
That's nice, but big way.
Yeah, you know, said round.
Yeah, round and a big. You know, no big face yet.
Smell nice too.
Yeah.
Annatto, I'm not too much.
No, it's annatto.
What annatto red?
It's yellow. So you know yellow?
Depends on the amount.
Face is clean. You can go so. Yeah. But you know, stiff like cake soap. But it have a clean feel.
Crisp feel.
Yeah. Come mama, your turn.
Where you get things in?
You have to order on her, you have to send her an email. Because them sell out of the village. So then she'll ship it to you. Wherever you are. It's $700 one.
And them small like that or them bigger than that?
No man, regular bar soap. This is just piece. I'd feel the face feel clean. It feels good. Yeah, it does. Alright, so face clean. The next step in the wake up process is to take off these things. Yes, I have a lot of things on my head. Alright, so we wake up now. And Matty over there with the sock finger. Look at him with the rag. He walk up and down with that rag every day.
No, it's live. Because the baby's coming.
Alright, come. Let me come down. See that. Hello. Hey, hello. So adorable. You know, come. Come, ma'am. Now you want to come too. Come and tell him your name. Come, bend down. Can't see you. What is your name? What is your name?
Mari.
Huh?
Mari.
Mari?
Yeah.
That's Mari, sir? What's your name?
Lamai. Mari. Farmer.
Wait a minute, come like I forget your name, man.
No, that's my name. I'm Santaria.
Okay. What is your name? Oh, be careful, be careful. What is your name? Your name what? Your name Martha Ed?
Naomi Farmer.
Naomi Palmer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So one you can fill in.
Alright, come tell me your name. Come. What is your name?
My name is Matthew Joel Samuel.
I want to say name Joel.
I'm coming there by the tree time, man.
I want you name Joel. Who get Joel?
You know Mommy. What are some name for two?
Show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. No, you have to smile. Grin it. Come son. Hey. What is that? What that? Jelly? Can that go tell me?
So you see, wait and see that Lord is good.
Not tell me, that's not good.
And this doll. The coconut in there, yeah.
And then I'll take her over.
And so you have to appreciate people who sell coconut in the hard work.
Can I have no more?
I forgot it.
Alright, so the hominy corn porridge is in progress, and right now the hominy corn is being pressured in the pressure cooker. How to eat the apple, guys. This is a Jamaican apple, for those of you that don't know. And fresh. And fresh, man, and not sweet. So I ripe look more. It's kind of fresh. Maintain on a riper one. It tastes refreshing though. Go on.
Yeah, video.
We're going to the apple tree, guys. To the apple tree. So guys, this is what the apple tree looks like for those of you that don't know, and for those of you that know. Yes, man. Go up, man. If you ever drop, it will be an embarrassment. Yes, man. 1,000. Well, that escalated quickly. So we didn't take a bag. No, look how far I'm reach. No, man, you reach, you know? Look there. No, I don't think I can really see how far. Let me show you how far. Look, the tree is down there, and he's all the way up there. I can see you now. He's up there. Guys, I cannot multitask, so I'm going to go and get a bag so that I can put them in. And I'm gonna have to put on the camera because I can't catch them while having the camera. So let's go. Come on. Where the partridge?
I cook the amini, but me know it not fresh yet because I got add water to it now and put in the thick and make it bubble down again, and that's it.
Look at this stick with the thing. So you get the apple for drop in it.
Definitely, man, boy. It's fully now. Shake it. Come on,
Wait. So some apple left. But them bust up on them jump, man.
That I got.
So why this? Why them wire?
Look out.
Oh.
Look out, man.
Yeah. You know why that's trigger up the head. Yeah. Cho. It's big. It's a banana there on the tree. Them green banana they fit. Down there, sir. One thing I laugh off of me, no banana look. You laugh off of me when you watch my video? Why? Come in and know things? Coconut? So I can get coconut? And jelly?
What's your cane grow?
Cane? No pan stick. Pan sitting. Out?
Last night money said we have one tree.
No, cane don't grow pan tree. Unlove me. Coconut way. Woo! Oh yeah, jelly. Look at the jelly, guys. So them your fit?
Them have 2 feet now, them are turn coconut. But the young one can drink. But the one they turn coconut now.
Look. Sweet pepper where?
Okay.
In the tire? I saw sweet pepper girl in a tire?
I'm very happy now.
Auntie, stop laughing at me. Guys, sweet
No, me plant them in the tire. Me put them in the tire.
Oh, you put them in the tire?
Yeah, because like how summer come, like the dry time, the tire, store water.
So where the sweet?
So it's up back on it. Them just out there. One of them just out there. Just out there.
So them the under the ground?
No.
Or up on the top?
On the tree them come, but them just out there.
Oh, sweet pepper girl. Sweet pepper you say or sweet potato?
Sweet pepper.
Oh.
Sweet potato ground there go. Sweet pepper.
You said potato? You said potato?
No. Potato go on there go.
Yeah, we know.
Sweet pepper go on tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, tomatoes here. But it's small.
Tomato, okay.
The bigger one them there obviously same one.
Nice.
Too much.
You know people love to them something there now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go chocho.
And the chocho. So them, oh you know the chocho fit?
Them fit now. You should have picked weekend but me never.
Say sell them at the market?
Sell you them. Sell you them go market.
Okay. Mama!
No, me not get to pick, but I just sell them.
So them hard for pick?
No, I'm just get a bucket around she's quick. Probably hard for you, but it's not bad for me.
Mama, look, sweet pepper in the tires. Well,
Sweet pepper sucker these.
yeah, the sucker them just start. It's just
One
plant.
of them just push on one sweet pepper plant, just small sweet pepper.
The same place I saw them all, bro? Are you out transplant them?
No, man, I mean plant them on there.
Oh.
So when the sun hot, them have more shade. Sweet
Oh.
pepper don't like sun, you know.
Oh.
And I plant them on the sun.
Okay.
I never know if sweet pepper not like
But the
sun.
man we plant outdoor and on, I got always have, because I sell the supermarket, you know.
Oh.
So the outdoor and them all dry down, you know. But like them I threw them on there, so. They all
Keep
stay
cool.
longer. Yeah. Stay longer.
It's pretty.
You know so much tree growing on one tire?
Me put 3 nights. 2 of them now really.
So you're not going to transplant?
No man.
Oh.
Them now shade like the pepper, hot pepper tree, you know. Them just grow up in a limb and beer, you know.
Okay.
Them not grow that whole heap of limb on it.
Okay.
That's why I'm choosing it that way. I tried it already and it worked, man.
You get enough tire though.
I'm still one more. I'm going to put tomato in it.
Nice.
I'm going to have more sweet pepper and put in it then. Sweet pepper better than the back.
Tomato I like shade.
You know like shade, but in time, at time come remember say it a go thing there, you know. By them time there, you know. Come. Let me Rochielin, you used to me now, man.
Adam, you say you just say come and them come for you. Wow. He called the goats and the goats are actually coming for real. And some puppies. A puppy them there?
Kid.
Oh no, those are kids. This one with the horn is a ram. Is them two here?
No, mother.
This a mother with horn?
Yeah, you know really.
I think I just the male alone have horn.
Any one of them can.
See the side of you?
Really? Me nah lie, them two you look like puppy.
I'm pretty down.
Kid them look like some little puppy man.
On.
So how you know which one is a male?
Come. Look on it.
What may I look for?
See. Look on it on him. Then him have breast, him not have no breast. Look on it. You see?
No?
Him have breast. Him not have no breast.
Where breast? May I look for? Oh yeah, I see breast. Wait, a breast and a penis?
Breast that. Look on one of them.
Wait, the something what goes so? Or the something what down, hang down?
And penis that goes so.
Goes so?
Yeah.
Stick out?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see together. So, what I mean, oh, so that's the penis. Okay, may I see penis now? So, wait, what I mean is manage water?
Beard.
Beard?
No, I'm head.
So, I think I go with penis?
No. Oh, what you put? Him head. Him head and the beard. Them, yeah, sometimes them kill the she goat and put the ram goat behind it and it tastes like a ram goat soup.
So which one of them you eat for curry goat? The ram or the she
Any
goat?
one of them. But normally people eat the ram. That one there.
The ram for curry goat?
People eat she goat but we don't normally eat she goat.
Why people not eat she
We
goat?
don't eat she goat no.
Why? Wait, do it taste different?
Not really.
So if it not taste different, why not eat it?
It's a man there with the goat.
Man there with the goat?
With she goat. So we don't normally eat she goat. Ram goat we eat. But you eat can anyway. No? That's an it. You know if you eat nothing from who you know say.
Really eat it.
So the meat tastes different?
No different.
No different?
No different. Only foreign mutton tastes different from our mutton, you know.
Yes, it definitely tastes different.
But then
And it, for them one tastes rancor.
guess why? Because them put the ram goat behind it.
Mm.
Because not a taste. So them put this to build up a taste. You know one man who come buy the ram goat bait for me? Just the ram goat bait.
Beard? Which part you call the beard?
And then chin, right up. And then chin. The bigger one has more beard for me.
Say just take off your head and give me.
Take off your head, cut off your beard, cut off your ear so.
The ear? Just the ear?
In here and you go tie up in a bag and drop in a pot of soup.
Lord.
And it tastes like ram goat soup, you know. It's true, man.
Wow. Look at them. No, I'm not like this one look like a puppy.
Can I move on?
Meh! Meh! Look how much leaf party, so I don't eat this.
No, I eat that one.
No, go to too hype.
Really, Tony. If you go up a house right now for one bread, one bulla, anything at all. Anything at all, you have there.
So how you sell the goat now? Like if somebody want a full goat, how you sell it?
Like him got a 15,000.
So the ram goat is how much?
The ram goat more there, him a ram you know.
Oh.
You call the rammy, the big rammy one there?
The big ram is?
The big ram?
Yeah.
70,000.
70? Okay, not bad.
Same load?
You ready for sell? Alright, so we have a big ram selling for 70,000 Jamaican dollars. So it's first come, first serve. So just link me ASAP. You can get a nice, big, healthy vegetarian rammy. And you see how them healthy and what them eat? So just link me up. So this is what Bunty got out of the tree. Them big though. Look how this big. This is so big.
What do you mean? What is name?
Eh? This is Chocho. Go away. We're in the Chocho harbor. I learned that. Go away. Above. And yes, come and go let me know what I call a strike. No man, this.
Chocho and ship have in common.
Two of them are water.
What?
What does Chocho? And me just make it up, you know.
Water.
What does Chocho and ship or a boat have in common?
Them have them up on the harbor. Ah, she's smart.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And they're on the harbor. Hey. Yeah, I want to come up with them something and tell me about all them foolishness that we will learn. Yeah. So what happened to me? And then I say, what you have to say for yourself?
Hey, one big peppermint tree down there, so.
Hold on, yeah, chop jelly.
You know, I set one out of shop with somebody can take it up in our bag. Yeah, man. You see it, Rochelle, them turn coconut, you know?
Oh, it's green.
tough.
It's red, too red.
It's hard, you see?
To teach us right. From wrong.
Yes. This sweet. This tastes like sugar in them. Extra sweet.
Acid.
This is the life. Look at my clothes, guys. Burr. Burr them, ah. Hey.
Burr.
Burr. Look at how old for country, my brother.
Not burr. Like when you belt. Hey, a long time the left there, you know.
Down here.
Mama.
But you know it ground same way, mama.
Mm.
You know your roots.
You know me, man.
Russian don't know your roots.
You know me.
Yeah.
But you know why? Me born in the country and
So now
growing
that
in
you
the
know your
country.
roots.
But yeah, so she you know.
Me wanna come for summer.
Growing up, born in a house and just growing a house.
I only come for summer vacation
Yeah.
for a week.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. So I just learned something new a while ago. I'm telling you how it go. My cousin said when you're taking for the meals, if you're taking a girl to a restaurant, a lady to a restaurant, stop at a jelly man first so that she can buy coconut water and fill up her belly before she goes. So then she won't break your pocket. What she read? If it's a craver girl, stop by jelly. Make sure you drink the jelly water, eat the jelly meat, so by the time you reach the restaurant, her belly full. Oh Lord. So this is Dominican porridge in the making. So Tavia move from off of the cold stove and come inside. Oh, she portioned peas for the rice and peas dinner. So for, I know. And I say we because I'm an extension of her, so it's actually we making it, even though I'm not actually doing anything.
You doing the talk.
I'm doing the talking, Tavia doing the cooking.
I rather to use cornmeal and flour. I don't use flour.
You use flour in a porridge?
Yeah, some people use flour or something named cornstarch to thicken it up. But I don't like that because after a while, when it gets cool, it tends to get watery. So I rather the cornmeal. It's corn porridge, right? So why not use cornmeal?
Yeah.
Good.
Nice. Guys, we miss Tavia, don't we? Don't we miss her?
Yeah, and you all didn't say happy birthday. When was my birthday?
Yes, her birthday was April 6th.
Yes, and I go on Facebook every year on April 6th to see who say happy birthday.
Yeah, I won't find her. But comment below and tell her happy birthday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me want to know him. Come on, make him know say yo. You see you don't know enough day in a video. None of them.
But like how you ever eat though? You ever eat something? Peel something. You're not hungry when you're there.
Where's your bad gun?
See this?
Alright, this is Tavia's gun. This is Tavia's weapon. So don't come near to her.
With marble, I'll steal in it.
Yeah.
And you won't go.
Hey, David and Goliath. Listen. So we don't need no, you know, the other thing. This. Oh.
You shoot yourself for now.
Hey, I did it. I did it. I did it. Did it.
Alright, that's enough. Alright, putting into the pot.
That's nutmeg.
This is coconut milk.
Nutmeg and coconut milk. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Guys, I got my porridge. Hominy corn porridge is ready. And I am just excited. I'm so excited to eat it. Let's see. This tastes good there. Hey, country porridge just slap harder than regular porridge. Country porridge just tastes good. You know what's crazy? Whenever I come to my house in Kingston and when she makes porridge, it just tastes different from mine. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I mean, mine tastes good enough, but hers just have a different taste.